The first and foremost thing is that you cannot be a millionaire if you do not value your time. Ask yourself if you value your time and spend it positively. Sometimes you keep on talking with someone just to please him or her or impress him or her, irrespective of the fact whether that person is important for you or not. It is not right way to live your life. You have a smartphone and keep on chatting with the people uselessly or watching videos or spending time on social media without purpose that does not help you in your progress in any manner. It is important to know where to spend time and how much. If you keep on wasting your time, people around you will flourish and you will stand still. You cannot be millionaire if you do not value your time. Spend your time and energies and put your efforts where you can make maximum use of it to be successful. Second important thing is to know your strengths. You should know about what can you do to improve your lifestyle. Knowing your strengths is very important. You cannot achieve anything without identifying your skills. Know and hone your skills and start working accordingly to achieve success based on your strengths. However, it is also pragmatic to remove your weakness and convert them into strengths. Third important aspect to improve self-worth is to be focused on self-worth or self-esteem. If you live life to impress and please others, you can never be able to do that unless you value yourself. Take a stand in your life. Be decisive as to what you want to achieve and work in that direction. If you spend your life like you are doing right now, what will you give to the generations to come? Won't it be selfish that you do not put energy and spare time for your projects just for the reason people won't say that this person is self-centered or selfish? Or do you want to live a mediocre life so that you may not help others in any manner? Or do you like to have a tag that this person is very talented but is not successful since he does not put that much efforts for his or her progress? Or do you want to be identified with remarks that he is a poor guy and happy with these kinds of remarks and still stagnant? If not, work on your projects with full focus without feeling of guilt by not joining the groups of people involved in unnecessary talks and chats. The fourth important thing is if you do not have money in the pocket, have honey on your tongue. If you do not have money in the pocket, have honey on your tongue. You should learn to be soft spoken. Communicate with the people well and give respect to all, and you will be respected. In today's era, people consider others as robots and just want to use people, then they forget about them. This is not the right way to deal with others. Have compassion for all and behave well. But I would like to say that even if you are a rich person, politeness and humility will enhance your self-worth. Further, it is very important aspect that it is not good to always tolerate. Sometimes we give respect to others and we keep on listening to their nonsense remarks just to maintain the relationship. If you persistently do this, you will be considered coward and people won't give you proper respect. Therefore, it is important to say no to negative remarks when it comes to your self-respect. Sometimes it is better not to be in that place or in that relationship where you are not given proper respect. Tolerance is not always good. Know your worth and learn to maintain self-esteem. Another significant aspect to enhance self-worth is not to be a quarrelsome person. It is also important to learn that being a quarrelsome person causes failure of relationship. Whether it is professional or personal relationship, maintain equanimity and be composed. Wholesome nature keeps you away from people, and in that way you may not succeed. People do not like short-tempered and egoistic people, and quarrelsome nature may also lead you towards seclusion. Another important aspect is body language also matters in enhancing your self-worth. People get to know about you by your body language. So keep your body language perfect. Wear a smile on your face, maintain eye contact while interaction, sit and stand straight, wear proper clothes according to the occasion and be positive. Do not be beggars for your respect and for love. Do not be a beggar for your respect and love. If you want that people respect you, do not compel them. Do such acts which respectable persons do. Do not beg for love. You do care and love for others, you will certainly be respected and be loved. Helping others is most significant feature of a person who cares for self-worth. Helping others improves your self-worth in the society and in your own eyes. Let me explain it by a story. There lived a young man who was quite a helping person, and he would distribute his money to others and hence would not be able to eat properly. When he would go for his job, there was a pipe from which water would leak. Everyone around would get dressed, but he put a plant beneath the leakage of water. He would help an old lady by keeping fruits outside her house. He would give plenty of money to the girl who used to beg with her old age aunt. One day, the boy found that the little girl who used to beg with her aunt was not there. He asked about her and got to know that the girl started studying in a school with the money he gave to her. He was quite happy to know that. On the other hand, the old lady who was living alone and all his sons were living in foreign countries and her sons never spared any time for her care. Though the motive of the young man was not to impress the old lady, and he was helping her without telling her that he helped her. But when the old lady got to know about him, she adopted him as his own son and gave all her properties and assets to him. In this way, he got mother and the old lady got a son. Both became happier and he was made nominee for all her assets. It does not mean that you should help someone to get something from that person. It is business, not help, that you look towards loss or profit. The young man did whatever he could do to help others. In this way, he improved his self-worth. Now we discuss another important aspect: to be unavailable. Be unavailable if the benefit you'll gain is less than the effort you put in. Sometimes you pick any call of anyone and keep on talking unnecessarily. Know that if you are always available, people do not respect. It is also important to know that where you has to be available or where you have to be unavailable. If you are always available, then people won't respect you. If you are always unavailable on urgent meetings, any of your colleagues or rivals may take the benefit of the opportunity, which was actually for your progress. But do not be too much available that people may start taking you for granted. You want to purchase 1 kg vegetable and you waste time of 1 hour in talking unnecessarily. When you buy the vegetables, that time which you planned for your study, for your seminars or for your meetings. So it is not good to do your work smartly and be unavailable when not required. This dilly-dally nature of you will lead you to ruin and not to prosperity. So don't delay your work. Now we discuss that the person should not sit idle but set a goal for life. If you sit idle and you do not have any goals, you will surely listen to negative remarks by the people around you, or you start criticizing others. Therefore, set some goals and work for them. If you keep on sitting idly, your confidence level will decrease, your talents will not be utilized, and you will not be able to achieve when you start working. Never take long gap to start another project. Continuity matters, and that help you to hone your skills too, which helps in enhancing your self-worth. The most important thing which enhance your self-worth is to gain knowledge. It is better to gain knowledge from different sources about your plans and projects and day-to-day life. If you are a knowledgeable person, people certainly respect you. Improved knowledge will, with blend of your experiences, improves your worth. The most significant part of enhancing worth is if you commit something, certainly do that. If you promise someone to do something and you perform it timely, your worth is increased in the society. And if you are a person who always makes statements and then back out, no one will respect you. Your self-worth is decreased by not fulfilling your promises. If you made a statement erroneously, you can ask for forgiveness, but never ever promise unless you are sure about doing that. You can enhance self-worth by having full control over your emotions. If you do not have full control over your emotions, your self-worth is not improved. If you start crying sometimes and you become furious with or without reasons at times, and you need to improvise your behavioral pattern, be balanced, do not give vent to your anger unnecessarily. Knowing and improving self-worth is quite significant. If you apply the things that are discussed here, your respect and worth will certainly improve. Always be focused about your goals and objectives with dedication. If you are diligent in working, you will definitely achieve success. Know that you are important. Your life is important for you, for your loved ones. You learn to love life, learn to love your projects and goals. And if you start loving your goals and value yourself and maintain self-respect, no one can defeat you. And with this winning attitude, you can win over all negativity and adverse circumstances and past failures. All the best.